Welcome. Let's look at this question. This is a quadratic equation. If alpha and beta are the root of the equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, where alpha times beta is 3 and a, b, c are in arithmetic progression, we have to find the value of what? Alpha plus what? Beta. So we have ax squared bxc. This is a quadratic equation. Then we know that the product, which is alpha plus beta, from here is going to be the c divided by a. Remember, we divide all of them by a. Then this becomes the product, this becomes the sum. This is giving rise to 3 as they are giving us from here. All right. Now, since we have A, B, and C in arithmetic progression, then that means that the common difference, they have a common difference. So the difference between A and B is the same as what? B and C. So I can say that B minus A equals to D, where D is the common difference. But I'm not looking for D. In the values I have is A, B, C. So let's make B or A the subject here. So it becomes B equals to D plus A. If I rearrange from here, I should be having B equals to what? D plus A, when this one is made transposed to the other side. Alright, if that is the case, how about C? Let me rewrite this as A first before D. So C is going to be, if I add the first term to the common difference, it gives me second term. Then it means that to get the third term, I have to add the common difference again. So A plus D should be giving you A plus what? 2D. I guess that is clear. So C is going to be A plus 2D. Then B is going to be A plus D. So coming back to this place, I can replace my C from here. So from, what do we have? C over A, which is 3. I can have C being A plus 2D divided by what? A. So this is representing C over A, and that should be equals to 3. So we can solve this as an equation, multiplying by A or cross multiplying. I should be having A plus 2D equals to 3A. Is that not it? Then what next? I can make D the subject by having 2D equals to 3A minus A, right? Then your 2D will be nothing but 2A. That means if I divide by 2, I should have my A equals to what? Sorry. I should have my D equals to what? A. Which means A is the same as what? The D. So I have this value for A. Then if I can change that, let me make this one as, where is my equation 1? Okay, this could be equation 1. Let me say this equation 2, equation 3. So from equation 2, I can say that B will be equals to A plus what? D, which is A plus A equals to 2A. So I know the value of what? B is also in terms of A. What next do I need? Now I am finding the B all along, because if you are coming back to the alpha plus beta, it should be negative B over A, right? That is the sum. Negative 2 over A, B over A. And the A is already moving around all of them. It is in the D. Finding the D, it is there. Finding B is there. Finding C is there. So I only need to find the B, which is in this form. So let's rewrite the equation again. So I should be having ax squared plus b, which is now going to be 2ax plus c, which is now going to be a plus what? 2d equals to 0. Then if I do that, then I can say that alpha plus beta, which is negative b over a, will be equals to negative b is the one in front here. That will be 2a divided by a, which will now become a will cancel. So I still have what? Negative 2 as the answer. Even without putting it into this context, right? You can still pick the b all the way from here. Then the a is already present in the general equation here. So without even rewriting the quadratic equation, we can still get the b, which we have found as 2a. Then we divide. Then the negative came in purposely because of the formula, how to find the sum of the equations. The root is always minus b over what? A. Alright, I guess this also makes sense, but feel free to leave your thought in the comment section. If there's any other way, or there is something you don't understand or you want to add, do that in the comment section. Let's keep learning. Thanks for watching.